how to install the Hawk VX 200 meter wireless Calving camera system by Equicom. Contents of your package. Single wireless Calving camera system should include one 75-foot power signal cable, one mounting bracket for transmitter, transmitter and receiver package, Hawk VX camera. Initially, we're going to open the package, and the content should include one mounting bracket for the camera, which can be mounted from the top or the bottom. First, attach the disc like so, and we have our mounting bracket ready to go. Secondly, we're going to remove the Hawk VX Calving camera, which has day vision and also 15-meter night vision. We're going to attach it to the mounting bracket. We have our system here ready to go. Next, we're going to get our 75-foot power signal cable. We're going to get the end of the cable coming out of the camera. We're going to push and turn our connection and plug the power connection in. The camera now is cabled up, ready to go. Next, we remove the 1 amp plug. You can see it says 12 volt 1 amp. Don't confuse with transmitter and receiver, as they're 12 volt 500 milliamp. Next, we plug the cable into the power adapter. We have this ready to go on the end of our 75-foot cable. Next, we're going to remove the transmitter and receiver from our package. So your package should include the Hawk VX wireless receiver, 4-channel receiver, your transmitter, 200-meter transmitter, antenna, TV AV cable for connecting receiver to TV, two 12 volt 500 milliamp power adapters, one for receiver, one for transmitter, short AV cable to connect transmitter to 75-foot cable. The first thing we do now is we attach the antenna to the transmitter. Never power up the antenna without our transmitter without this, because it can damage the antenna. Next, we get our short AV cable, and we're going to connect this to the in on the transmitter. Now what we're going to do next, we're going to attach the other end of the grey cable to the yellow signal on the transmitter. You just push and simply twist and connect. Now we have the whole system connected up. All we need to do now is to power up the transmitter. So we have the 12 volt 500 milliamp power adapter. Connect this to the DC 12 volt on the transmitter. Now we're going to get the mounting bracket for the transmitter. We attach the steel disc, tighten the levers and adjust your position. Then you simply screw it into the back of the mounting bracket like so. And we have the transmitter ready to go. All we have to do now is power up the system and it'll be transmitting. The next thing we do is we get the receiver, the Hawk wireless AV receiver, and we connect the power into the 12 volt DC on this. Then you connect the yellow to the video and the yellow to the phono connection on your TV. On the back of your TV, you should have a connection looking like this. The yellow plugs into the yellow, simply press TV AV for it to come up on screen. The white is for the audio. If you have a microphone, connect the white and away it goes. If your TV does not have an AV connection, then you can get a SCART adapter like one of these, and you plug it into SCART plug and it gives you the sockets. Also, if your receiver is too short to reach TV, you can get a 20 meter or 75-foot AV TV cable. The next thing we need to do is power up the transmitter and receiver system. So we have a surge protected power unit. The reason we use a surge protected power unit is in case any spikes in the power or electricity, it will absorb the spike and protect your electrical equipment. So we're going to plug in one camera here and transmitter here. Now this is transmitting the image onto the receiver, which isn't connected to TV. However, we do have handheld wireless receiver systems, which if you look at, you can actually see the image quite clearly. These systems have about a 200-meter range, the same as the transmitter, and you can run 4 wireless cameras off this system. They're rechargeable, battery operated and portable. However, again, you can use your basic TV receiver here, which is connected to TV and does the same job. Now, regarding the microphone system with the Hawk VX Calving Camera, we've described how to do it without a mic. If you have bought a microphone, there's a slightly different setup. First of all, the 75-foot power signal cable, you will not receive this. What you will receive is the 75-foot power signal cable with power, audio and signal. 3 inputs, 3 outputs. You'll also receive what's called an inline microphone. Basically, you have your microphone here with your input hole here for sound. You have 2 connections on one end, 3 on the other end. Basically what happens is you connect the cable like so, push and twist, same as the other cable to the camera. Then the other end has 3 inputs. So what we do, we need to plug the power in, the audio, which is the white, and then the yellow, which is the signal. It's called an inline microphone, meaning it's in the line, the power runs through, amplifies the microphone, and carries on to power the camera. At the other end, you receive the cable's 3 outputs. The first one is for power. Once you power up the camera, use the same 1 amp power adapter that powers the microphone and transmitter. The yellow connects as usual, same push and turn, same as the other system. And the only difference is the white for the audio connects in and transmits sound and video. Then with receiver at home, you have the white and yellow. The white goes into the receiver for audio, and then to the TV you'd have white for audio, yellow for signal. Again, with the transmitter receiver, including audio, it works with the handheld receiver, it also includes audio.